Alright guys, so today we outside doing this one, alright? We're doing some fish and I'm going to be cooking the fish in foil. So I'm doing some roast fish. I'm using some okra, some spinach, some carrots, and I'm using onions and stuff like that. So it's a nice simple recipe. Some fry, I keep saying fry, some roast fish to enjoy, alright? Alright, so some black pepper. And make sure you get the season on the inside also, guys. Alright, black pepper and salt for the fish. And all the other seasoning is going to go on the veggies. Alright, that's the pepper. Be with me guys, I'm outside, so it's a bit difficult to maneuver, but you guys get the picture. Alright. I'm going to get some on the inside. Watch out for the bones, guys. Alright. Alright guys, and we're adding some Maggie to this. It's going to incorporate everything together. And this is going to be the stuffing for your fish. Remember. Alright guys, we're just going to get some butter. Just going to go ahead and rub it all over. This way you don't stick to it. There you go. Alright guys, so when you're stuffing, make sure you get up in the head. You get as much up in there as possible. Get a little bit of everything guys. The carrots, your okra, your onions, your peppers, your spinach. Alright, then we're gonna close them. And it's okay if you have a little bit hanging out, because that's what we want. Then you're gonna go ahead and wrap this. Alright guys, so now you got your fishes ready. You want to make sure that your fire is out and the flame is not ignited, but everything else is. So here we go. Alright, you just cover that. You cook for around 20 to 25 minutes when you check them. It depends on how hot your fire is. You may need more time, but we're doing 25 right now. So the time has passed. Let's check, see what's going on. Oh my goodness, look at all that goodness. Here you go guys, nice roast fish.